how to make a PDF file from the MS Word file on your mobile. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Now I have a Word document opened already, and without wasting time, I'm just going to show you two methods with the help of which you can convert or save this Word document into a PDF file. So the first method is that you need to click these three vertical dots, and from here you can see the second option is share as PDF. You can click that. It will ask you where you want to share. You can select save to the device, and over here you can just press OK, and as you can see that this document has been saved as a PDF. As I can open this document and show you, now this is a PDF file. And now the second way to save this Word file into PDF is to print that file by clicking the print, and from here, instead of selecting your printer, you should select save as PDF and then just press save. Select the desired location and just press save. And that's how you can make a PDF file from the Word file on your mobile. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.